This channel is for the photographer who is interested in Japan and developing their creative voice. My name is Josh, and I consider myself a landscape and Japan travel photographer, as well as a shakuhachi player and small business owner. I've lived and explored Japan for over 15 years now, and getting my master's and PhD in cultural sociology at Osaka University have all contributed to my creativity and passion for photography in Japan. What draws me to Japan are its stunning landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and vibrant cityscapes, making it a favorite destination for both travelers and photographers around the world. My study of Japanese aesthetics has influenced my photography and the way I see the world. As I share these concepts of beauty in Japan, things like wabi-sabi and mono no aware, I hope they inspire you as well to get out and take some pictures with these ideas in mind. Another reason why Japan photography is so exciting for me is that there are endless opportunities for capturing captivating images of Japan. You have iconic landmarks like Mount Fuji and Kyoto's temples, as well as cool street photography in Osaka and Tokyo. But you have the serene beauty of traditional Japanese gardens and picturesque rural towns also. I've also found that the country's unique blend of modernity and tradition also provides a diverse range of subjects that attract photographers seeking to document its beauty. But with my photography, I don't just aim to document. I enjoy learning and exploring the culture and then creating images from my artistic viewpoint. For me, photography is an art, and we are artists and craftsmen. Nature and the seasons play a big role in Japanese society, and it's something that I am very drawn toward in my nature and landscape photography. I love getting off the beaten path and exploring the local beauty. In a country where every small town is famous for something, it's easy to get wrapped up in exploring and discovering hidden treasures along the way. I hope to share some of those experiences with you here on this channel. Let me know down below what excites you about photographing Japan, and watch this next video for some tips on developing your Japan travel photography.